Hey everyone, it's Edward again. I want to talk about putting the seats in this go-kart. What a challenge. The bomb is outdated and the seat slides at JEGS, they're for pro sport high back seats, not pro racing high back seats. So I got the slide, that's half a slide, the other slide's right here. Slides are pretty cool. And I knew as soon as I ordered them, they wouldn't fit because there's a compatibility chart that I missed. And the keywords racing versus sport. The bomb on the GrandDaddy GoKart, let me look in a camera lens here. The bomb on the GrandDaddy GoKart is so outdated. It says buy some slides for the seats. They don't make the slides anymore. And the bolt pattern, let me turn the lens around and show you the bolt pattern. Right here, this pattern, even though it looks pretty uniform, these are not the same on every one. You got to drill your holes to each individual seat, and they really are like shifted because I went and made a template. So, and that's part of the manufacturing process. Let's go over. I almost think a more expensive seat's just worth it, just to get it out of the way, to get the holes perfect every time. So I have the overage carved in as a slot. So this has hit its target, and then these can be off. It still doesn't account for this side to side. I don't know how bad they are side to side. You know, the distance between here, if you talk about tolerance drift, to here will probably be worse than from here to here. Yeah, the project is really hard. I mean, here's a front end assembled, by the way. This thing is so cool, the way it steers now. I don't know the last video I made what I actually showed anymore, but we definitely got some cool steering effect. I'm changing this connecting rod right here out. Not changing it out, I'm just adjusting it, so I got to remove some bolts. I have a new technique for threading these on. If you can see, it's perfect there. It's off here for a reason, but I'll show you that perhaps in another video, potentially. And I'm gonna stick to making stuff for welding go-karts, because the politics stuff, I mean, I find it interesting, but I just couldn't see myself doing it for like months on end, right? Like going to different sites. It definitely has a lot more traction than go-karts, but I just can't see myself in the long run doing it. So I'm gonna interject it in between here and there, like a commenter said. Here is an engine. State of California banned engines, gasoline engines for sale, or I don't know, small engines under a certain horsepower. So Predator does not have engines for sale. I was gonna drive to Anaheim and Ace wouldn't sell me one. So I found this Duramax brand. They shipped it. It came, I ordered it Monday night, or Monday morning, 2 a.m. and it arrived at my house around 2 p.m. the very next day. So it's an 18 horsepower allegedly. I mean, it's Chinese horsepower, so it's probably more like 15. But it's coming together. I got everything. I got a 40 series torque converter. I'm gonna have this welded up when I shut this camera off. And I'm frustrated, you know, like I'm just frustrated for so many reasons, not just the go-kart, but like getting that engine was a nightmare. Things with some of the bills we have to pay suddenly, just seems like everything's dogpiling on me at the worst time possible. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I am going to be designing, already designed my own go-kart in CAD. I have my own go-kart. And let's take a look here. I got my own type of A-arms now. I'm designing all my own stuff. This has more clearance for a wider shock, and that'll be cool. So when I sell my go-kart plans, they come with 3D printed jigs, and you can buy the jigs off me. You can 3D print the jigs yourself. It'll take the learning curve way down and give you more uniform parts, and we actually use 3D printing for something that's meaningful. I said, like, subscribe, encourage me. I don't like doing things in vain. if I know there's interest, it pushes me. And I think this is the way to do it. I mean, look at those tight joints. Holy shit. Look at that. I can't get my fingernail on there. It's gonna be cool, guys. Hey, let me turn this camera lens around one more time. So I'm at it. Every day I'm chipping away at this go-kart, trying to get it completed, learn as much as I can. I mean, the front end has already been redesigned in CAD, and I know what I want to do. I also want to make the shock adjustable, so you're not stuck with one preset size length of shocks. And it's all designed. It works. Like, that's why you saw that A-arm. It's part of it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope I drilled this home. Thanks a lot and have a great day, guys. Bye.